What is up, you guys? Welcome back. You guys, what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to simply just share with you how I install a Facebook pixel onto a landing page. Okay, so here's what I do. I'm right here in a client's Facebook account, right here at the top. Um, Let me go ahead and just simply do this real quick, you guys. Okay, so in here, as I log into Facebook, right? So hopefully you guys know how to get to this part by now. Um, this is the ads manager. This is, where we're running a ton of ads. But in order to get to your pixel, here's what you want to do. In fact, this is a brand new account. She ran a bunch of ads before, but I'm taking over her account now. And so she may not even have a pixel. So I'm about to find out right now. So click these dots right here, and you're going to click on let's go to, where the hell is Events Manager? Okay, so we're gonna click on Events Manager, and we're gonna simply grab her pixel. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to set it up for the first time, which is really simple, and hopefully it is set up that way. That way I can walk you guys through it. Actually, well, she may have it. All right. Okay. So okay, yeah. So she hasn't continue pixel setup. Okay, perfect. So once you click on that, it'll bring you over here, or it'll say setup pixel. It'll be very similar where you click on the blue button, install code manually, copy code, continue. You could turn on automatic. That's fine. Continue, and that's it. So all I'm going to do is I copied it. Now I'm going to bring it over to a page, and in Kartra, and all the platforms are very similar, but I use Kartra for everything. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the actual builder of it and simply paste in that code. Okay. And I have the page open over here. So let me load this real quick. Okay. So over here, this is the page right here that I'm going to add it to, right? So as you can see right here, I have this Facebook pixel helper, and what you can do is install this pixel just so you can test your own pages. That's what I would use it for. But you can also track. It also allows you to know who's tracking you when you're surfing online and you're browsing different websites. That thing will light up, depending on if that person has their pixel installed or not. But it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter who's tracking you. It really doesn't. But I use it just so I can test my pages, so I can know that I installed my pixel the right way. So install this right here. You'll just see I already have it parked up here. So once you install it, it'll be parked up here at the top. Okay, so you'll have it right here. And whenever you're on a page, it'll say no pixels found on the page. And so right now, this page right here, let me refresh it. There's no pixel on this page just yet, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add it to this page right here. So now I'm in the builder. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to come down to tracking code. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I'm going to paste it in right there. I'm going to click apply. I'm going to save progress. And then I'm going to publish live right here. Okay. So once I publish live, then I can come back to the page. Let's refresh it now. So right here, there's no pixel installed, right? No pixels found. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh it, and that thing should light up. Bam. There it is there. So turn blue. Now we got the number 2 in green, and there is the pixel right there. So you always want to make sure that this pixel is the correct one. I look at the 4 digits, the 4 ending digits, 3562. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I come back over here, close out this, and then let's refresh this page real quick. And so the pixel should now finally be installed, and we should see something different right here. So for some reason, it's not your number of reports events. So for some reason, it's not tracking just yet, but sometimes it takes a few minutes, man. Facebook is going through some weird updates right now, and sometimes it takes a few minutes, but that you could totally tell right here that the pixel is installed. There we go. So let's see if we can refresh it over here now. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Sometimes it happens right away. But either way, that pixel is now on the page. And what I'm going to do also to confirm the number, the pixel number, is I'm going to simply check it like this. So I'm going to simply come back over here. Actually, let's see if I can click on settings. Actually, you can see right here also, Pixel ID 3562. So that's the same one that is on the page over here, 3562. Perfect. So we're good. So it just takes a few minutes for it to update on the Facebook side, but that's it. So now what I want to do is I want to take that pixel and I want to install it on all of my pages. Okay. So in Kartra, you always want to hit save progress, right? It's a three-step logout. Save progress, whatever you did to the page, and then you publish live, and then you return a dashboard. I think you can go straight to publish live, but I just hit save progress first, publish live, and then return a dashboard. Okay, so all I'm going to do now for the next few minutes is I'm going to simply take that code, since I already have it pasted, and I'm going to install it on every page. Once I install it on every page, then I can create custom audiences and custom conversions.